All right, so let's see here.
It gets so yeah. Let me let me go use the restroom here before the open. Be right back.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Mindless ingenuity. Oh shoot. When were you down? When were you in St. Pete? No, I didn't get that. December, December 2. I think I was back in Georgia. I think I was in Georgia. Depends on the time you're in. Yeah, sorry about that, man. If I'd known, I would have hung out with you. Hung out with you. Oh God. I will tell you one thing though. It was one of the most painful experiences ever to lay in that MRI machine. Possible double top short. What time is it? Wait. Today's Tuesday.
We're
We've got.
I don't think we have any news. Let me turn on my
What do
financial
we got
juice.
going on? Yeah, we don't really have consumer confidence at 10 a.m. today.
Oh yeah, 10 o'clock news. Trump and King Charles greet. Okay. FOMC tomorrow.
Um. All right. So here's a plan. If it stays below this level, I'm gonna start committing to those shorts on some of these other accounts.
Yeah, I like NQ down to around 27,000. I mean,
Well,
I
I mean,
don't. We'll probably
again,
get a pump up, right here at the open, but
well, if it pops up, then we start buying again. I mean, we're literally right at that line where it says sell it or buy it. So that's kind of my thought process here is that we've we're just at that spot, which is typically how things work, right? So I'm going to be in a wait and see mode until it decides to stay down. If it decides to stay down, then I'm selling. Decides to stay up, then I got to become buyer here. Pretty simple. I mean, that's about all we got to do. I mean, just all I'm doing is looking at a chart here, saying, hey, I got I got a bunch of accounts I got to trade, and when I look back, I see a bunch of selling from this area down on the NQ and ES. Above this area, I see a bunch of buying. So what do I see? I see that if we stay below this area, I'm gonna sell it. That's about all I can do, right? That's about all we can do.
yes, very complex analysis there.
I think that's about all we can do. I mean, why overcomplicate it? That's all right. We got a few minutes till the open here. All right. See if this turns into a double top on the NQ here before the open. All right. All right. I was kind of looking around. GC we'll look at today.
Yeah.
CL should be interesting today as well. GC broke down pretty good, so
Pretty good, yeah.
keep an eye on that.
Looks like it's wanting to break again. So
I know. We'll keep an eye on that today, and then CL should be pretty interesting today because we got a little bit of some swings that should go on. It popped back up to a higher daily level, so maybe we can find some trades up here on CL. Should be able to. Should get some decent swings today, I would think, but we'll see. All right. These are fun markets, huh?
you can find what?
I said this is a fun market, huh?
Yeah.
See what time is it? Let me.
It's a nice M forming on the NQ there.
Huh? All right. Let's
Well,
see what
M
happens
forming
here.
on the NQ. Are we open? Yeah. Well, here we go. Oh, not yet, but we're about to be.
Oh, I have a flag somehow now. All of a sudden.
Oh, let me check my lag here.
All right. There we go.
All right, showtime. Do this thing.
Let's do it.
I've been doing it. There you go. And there's your.
Woo. I know it still can't. It's got to stay down here now.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I'm down for selling this.
See what happens right here on this NQ.
Let's see. Let's see. That's my little area for both of them. So like,
And
Maybe we look for one buy signal. Considering where we came from this morning, maybe we look for one buy signal here, huh?
Yeah.
We just missed it on the small tick chart.
Yeah, that was a quick little setup though. Might be getting a more clean setup on the bigger tick chart.
Let's see. I don't think we should be buying, to be honest with you, though.
Hmm.
I mean, if anything, I like the thought that Isaac has to buy lower.
Yeah, well, like I said, I have an area here and then one at 723, 24-ish area. So either one of these areas I had kind of mapped out for possible buys. So we'll see. No rush. Just let it go. Watching that GC for a break there. Trump says Iran just informed us that they are in a state of collapse. They want us to open the strait as soon as possible. Okay.
A state of collapse.
State of collapse. Obviously, the market doesn't take that as important because it didn't do anything. This thing pulled right back up. Look, it hit my level.
Yeah,
Perfect.
I'm
Hit
really
my
torn,
level
man. I
perfect.
can't,
I was just scared to buy it though. I'm not gonna lie.
I can't
I'm
do
gonna hold
my
on.
normal dollar cost averaging into this.
Uh,
I can't because I'm gonna get caught one way or the other. I don't know if it's gonna go up or down from here. If I had a good bias, I don't have that good bias right now. I'm trying to think. Like if it stayed down below this level, I would have that short bias, but we're just hovering right there. Won't get out of it. I mean, are we below VWAP? Are we below the 89? Are they pointing down? Yes. All right. So we probably should have a short bias. What direction is the 89 pointing? Down. Okay. Sell it. Need to start reminding myself that. Well, maybe we'll try two here. Let's try two. Ooh, that would have been fast. It's too short on the MQ. Now it's starting to set up.
I'm watching. Just not. I like you. I'm not convinced.
No,
There's nothing that's screaming buy or sell to me.
not to me.
I mean, I think they're both can be right.
You would think.
Dang, that long off that level was it. I just didn't have the what to take it.
What? Isaac called it.
Yeah, no, he did say it.
I just wasn't
All right,
prepared
well,
to
good
take it.
job, Isaac. One and done, brother. Bye. You and Stretch, both of you guys got it done early.
Probably should have taken that trade. I did say we should probably look for a long out of here. I just didn't expect it to be that good of a long. Nice job, Isaac. Great job, buddy. Great call. Tom did it too, right? You both got that? That's good. Great call, Isaac. All right. Well, now we got to start thinking up, huh?
Oh yeah.
Let's see. If we get a decent little short setup, I'll go for it. But I don't think we should. Again, now I'm switching back around, saying, well, maybe we should be hesitant on shorting, but you gotta take a trade when it sets up. What do you think? Trying to set up be a short here?
Uh,
Continuation to the upside.
Could be a break at the top here, though, is the only problem. Lower high, higher high.
Um, should be a decent area to short from. If it continues up
Or
though,
break.
I mean, I'm gonna flip that around and start getting in the long side of things.
Yeah, getting out too early. Hold on to that thing.
Ah, that's still good, man.
Yeah, nice trade.
I gotta step away for a second. I'll be right back. Gotta kill that order.
He's going to break this 89. We've got VWAP up there next, so yeah, you might have a little room here still in this. I think this has got a VWAP move in it. I'm going to try it. Maybe we get a run up to VWAP, huh? Ah, we're just going to sit here and dance all night. Let's do something. Short. Yep, double top short. Right off the 89. Overbought stochastics. Damn, it's setting up. It's hard to take the short, but it's setting up. Nothing. There it is. Run the VWAP. Come on, push up the VWAP. 233 target. Let's go. And that's why I couldn't take that short. I had to take that long at that breakout because there we go. All right. On the board with something at least. Hey, you should have stayed in this one, Isaac. That'd been huge. I got in at the break of just above S2. I got in at 186.75. I'm still in 186.20, 186.75. I was, when I said it was
Well,
setting
dang.
up, I said it was setting up for a short, but I couldn't take a short here as soon as it broke above that
No,
because
that would
I
have
was
been
seeing VWAP. I knew it was
that would have
going to
been long
VWAP.
in my book too.
Yeah, yeah. I jumped in at the break right there
Well,
on
I
the big
mean,
tick chart.
yeah, you had a failed short, take the
Yeah,
long.
right there. Yeah.
So same on the ES, but
Well,
I
hold
would have
it. See
probably
if we can
taken
get
that
through
trade
this.
with you had I not had to step away.
See if this thing will get through here. Come on, bust through here. Don't come back down. Keep on keeping on, people.
I will be taking the next long trade then.
All right. Comes back anymore, I'm gonna have to get out of it. I want to see if it'll break this VWAP and keep running.
All right, a little tiny long signal starting to set up here on the smaller tick chart.
Yeah, if you're not in.
I would look at that above here. A couple small contracts. I should probably be a tick or two tighter on that entry. Somewhere around there. That should be a decent little. That should be a decent little trade.
I think it gets through here. This is
Yeah, just
another long.
literally almost just gave. I've been just called it. I just put my trade in.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't see that. I wasn't looking at your
Yeah,
screen.
I'm gonna try
Okay,
to
good.
take a target quickly though. Oh, it just ticked right into my target. Come on, must stop in the right spot here. Let's see. That was a decent little long setup. Just never finished.
Hmm.
Nice little W on a small tick chart. Double bottom. There we go. There we go.
Boom. I jumped in with you. Now let it come back. I got a little better feel because I got in lower. Just a tad little better
Let's
feel.
see. Yeah, you got a better feel than I did.
Well, yeah, because obviously I missed your entry, so I got in later.
Yeah, there you go. Target off.
Hmm.
Now where are we gonna go? We're gonna go up to golly. We could probably get up to this next level. So
Well, if it breaks through VWAP, I've got,
70
yeah, right, all the way 308,
376 to yeah 3 right around that
308.
point. Yeah, somewhere around there. At least to this next level up here around 270.
It's got to get through VWAP though. If it holds here again, that's not good sign.
And I sit back on the sidelines again.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We just have to sit on our hands at that point. Come on, break through here. Tried twice to get through here and
Come
had to
on,
close it out
puppy.
both times.
Here we go.
Here we go. Push.
Here we go.
There
Here we
you
go. Here we
go.
go. Here we go.
That's how you do it. That's how you play the game.
Money for nothing and your chicks for free. That's the way you do it. Play the guitar on the MTV. What did I say, 270 ish? Right around 270? That'd be my target
Ah,
here. Bring my stop up a couple more ticks. All right, we'll leave her there. See what happens. See what happens. I mean, the funny thing about this trade is this one trade pays for your month.
yeah.
Oh, oh, there we go. All right. Now let's stay away from this puppy for a little while. I don't like that stuff.
Shoot back down.
Still think the longs are the way to go though. Now that we're staying up, start trying to. I think we should probably start try trade from level to level. Now, like I'm almost tempted to get my long position on here.
Start layering in.
Yeah.
You can let it come down here to this.
Well, we got 10 minutes till consumer confidence, so let's see what happens then. But this is another long setting up.
It's holding. The VWAP is holding.
Well, it's a pretty significant level too.
It's got to come back down, I guess.
Nah, wait. It's still up there where we probably need to be thinking buy.
Yeah, no, I haven't changed my bias. I just don't want to get in around the VWAP.
I still think this is a long setup, to be honest with you. Let's see. It's trying to. Maybe do two on the MES.
Got to take this thing long, right? What do you think?
Possibly. I mean, I think wait until 10.
Yeah, what time is it? Yeah, we got 8 minutes. I'll be
10.
right back. I'll be right back.
Yep. And that's a bigger short setup below this level here, but I'm gonna wait until after 10 to take another trade. Some days you just gotta be patient and take what the market gives you. Oh, that's every day. Never mind. Yeah. Looks like they're breaking it back down. So there's a bigger sell signal, like I said. Maybe they just got everybody thinking long and then they'll push it back down short. Kind of looks like that, doesn't it? Very suspiciously looking like that a lot. Get all the retail thinking long and then turn it around short.
Oh, come back and it dumped.
Yeah, that's what I was saying while you're gone that I think this may have been one of those days where they push it up to get retail thinking long and then they're gonna short it.
Yeah.
But we'll see.
Well, I did say that earlier, right? Push up to before the open. I said push it up to bring it down again. But we'll see. Yeah, VWAP was my target. I was thinking it was getting through VWAP earlier. It's gonna pull back down to your level here, Isaac.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning, Tom.
Did not hear the dulcinous tones of the Brian.
He's here. I think he might have
Oh,
stepped
sorry,
away
I
for a
was
little bit.
talking. Yeah, I was talking on mute.
Pulling
He's
a
around.
Paul.
What's that?
Pulling a Paul.
Yes, that would be me.
You're famous for that.
All right, see what it does down here. We should be layering in, Brian. Don't,
Short,
oh, Marty, this is so
layering in short,
this is so coin flip right now. No.
long.
Yeah, I'm thinking long here.
I mean, this is an area we can
If
set
we
up for a
get back
long.
above 160, I think it's a long again.
Hey Tom, what's up, man? Sorry about that. I was
Morning, sir.
let's see, perfect trade.
Yeah,
Yeah, there you go. There's your freaking long out of nowhere.
I told you, right up above 160 was a long.
I just didn't click it fast enough.
I don't think there was a way to click
Yeah,
that fast enough.
it was quick. No, I was too quick, but that was the idea I had. Right idea, just not fast enough.
It's only a couple minutes till news, so I'm just gonna be patient and wait for news.
Yeah, might as well wait. Of course, you could miss this whole run back up,
Well,
but
Paul, it looked like it was right there off that 15-minute orb.
yeah, that too. I didn't see that
Yep.
because you got to give me those levels. Send that new file. Do I have to put both of those in there? Install both the
No,
files?
you should just have to do
Right.
one for right now.
Okay.
Might get a W out of it. I don't know. I'm gonna wait until
I'm gonna wait too. It's 2 minutes, right?
yeah. But I'm gonna be ready to play that game, make some money on it though. Because wherever it goes out of here, it should keep going in that direction.
Yep. Did you catch that, Isaac, on that down around 160? I just wasn't quick enough to get in it, but I was looking for a push back up through 160. It just happened way too fast.
One minute. That may not do anything. I don't know. Let's see.
Darn, that was a good trade.
Yeah, I'm sitting here
Oh
looking at the
well.
same thing, Paul. I'm like, wow.
Oh well. I
I'm sitting here
even
looking at
said
the
it
same dang
beforehand. I
thing.
just
I'm
didn't
like, why didn't we take that? Why didn't I take that?
snooze you lose, I guess.
Yeah. Oh well.
I thought about it, but I had just sat down. So
There might
Should
be
have
a
just
way
had
down
my
the line.
when I said 160, I should have just went and put my order in right there, and it would have been.
Yeah.
But then I was thinking, you had me, thinking about the news. I said, the news. Well, let's see, news in 10 seconds now. Let's see what happens.
So how does the Fed chair changing with this?
It's Powell today or Wednesday. He's gonna still be in play.
No, I mean, what are the implications whenever you have a Fed chair change like that? As far
It
as
just
the
depends on
market?
what the new chair brings in, right? What his direction is.
Hmm.
I mean, that's
Oh,
really,
there you
it's
go.
just whatever he
Yeah.
starts saying.
AK, nothing. It's all planned in advance.
Oh, yeah. Don't think for a second. Let's see. Consumer confidence actual 92.8, forecasted at 89, previous 91.0. Okay.
Well, that wasn't much.
Nope. Didn't mean
All right,
anything.
now I can make a decision. Yeah. Oof. All right, Brian. What direction is 89 pointing down? What? Are we below view up? Yes. Okay. Sell it. Why can't I do that? That seems simple. Just do it.
I got to layer one in here, Brian.
Long?
Yes. This thing's going back up. 2 contracts.
So you're gonna do 2 MES?
I think so.
Uh,
Hold on.
I just don't.
Stop.
Our rules say not to do that.
Yeah, don't do that.
Our rules say
I looked
not
at
to do that, Paul.
I looked at the smaller. The NQ looks like it wants to go up,
Yeah, but our rules say we're staying below VWAP.
but everything is below V. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Everything's below VWAP, pointing down on the 89. Yeah.
I think it'd have to be above this morning's swing high for me to even like think about the longs at this point, you know?
Back in that stupid coin flip area. Back
Uh,
inside the range.
I mean, we're getting higher highs and higher lows across the board, so there's one thing. So let's just run a checklist. Higher highs, higher lows. Boom, boom, boom. Got that. Okay. We're staying below VWAP and below the level we talked about this morning, so that's a check against longs. And we know that there was below here for both the NQ and above here for NQ and ES. There were daily ranges for almost the entire day. So I'd be comfortable if we got in one of those two spots, below or above, and then I could start really doing my magic. But I feel like I'm guessing right now if I say, okay, well, get, and then that's the other thing too. You want to be committed to the longs all morning long?
No.
That's where I'm at. Is I don't know if I want to be committed to the longs all morning. I mean, when I have a really good bias and I know that we're in a for the near term up market or down market, then that's easy. Right now, I don't have that bias. Like I'm afraid that if I get committed to the longs, this thing dumps back down.
Yeah.
But still proving to be higher highs and higher lows. Um. All right. Let's do this like limpy in. Then how about that? One contract, and then try to take this as a long out of here, maybe on another account. So I'm gonna go one contract. Then you convince me, Paul. Went looking around and I was like, okay. We are staying up. It is higher. You know, I mean, we can almost just do something so silly, dumb that you just
Oh.
take an easy target. I don't like it. I'm sitting here looking at this saying, this is it's a good thought process.
Ah. Ooh.
Oh, I got a phone call with the doctor at 11.
11. What time is it? Oh, 10. Yeah. Maybe we take a break at 11 for a little bit. Let's see. Oh. Gold. Look at gold. Gold. Yeah. I'd try that, I think. I think I should. What do you think about gold short here?
Oof. I'd like to short it if it rallied. This looks like a long setup. I don't.
Looks like a break, though. All right. Come on, back up the VWAP again and push. Go. Let's go.
All right. All right. Well, I mean, there's some green. Like you can almost just like take a target here, take it off, do it again.
I had a limit order set at 102, and it didn't get it.
102 on 102 on the NQ.
Yeah,
Yeah, I didn't get down there.
nope.
Didn't
Go
come
look at
close
it
to that.
now.
Ah, there we go. All right, all right. Now I can start thinking maybe we start getting these longs on some other accounts then.
I did say longs. So no, it wasn't a. I didn't take it, but
I
Well, I
tried.
mean, I got convinced that I was going to layer in, so here we go. Now, again, I'll do this again. Let it come back down. We'll do it again. I'll just keep doing this. And we'll do it over and 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 over again.
Hey, Paul, ignore those other two that I sent. I got one more to ship out for
What?
now you're getting me totally confused.
What's going on?
Oh, that's on that indicator, the levels. He keeps sending updated files.
Oh, gosh.
I know. I don't have no clue which the latest file.
It's easy if you're the one programming it because you can
Yeah,
apply
there
it
you go.
quickly.
Up. Dancing around the pivot on the NQ. Pivot's holding. Pivot's holding. That's got a.
What? Pivot?
I mean, not pivot. VWAP's holding on NQ. So
I think that's another good spot to get in. 198.
no, I wouldn't get in any. I would not. No, if you're not already long from down there below, this is not the place to get in. And there you go. That's why.
Oh. All right. Exciting stuff. Come down. Let me try that one more time. Do a 2 this time. I'm going to be that brave.
Yes. Or
Yeah.
NQ. You're going to get your wish. It's going
Both,
to come down.
probably. Let it come down. Give me a long setup. Although that was a short setup actually right there. I mean, realistically, we could probably just trade this both directions
I
until
mean,
it
yeah,
changes. We
until
should
something
probably
more
trade it.
concrete.
Yeah, we should probably just trade in both directions.
Let's see here.
Um, oh, be right back.
I'll ask him, Tom.
Actually, I can't. I can't pause. I can. I can cancel and then reactivate. So,
Okay.
so it'll run to the end of the billing period.
I'll just let him know. Do you think? Just go ahead and cancel it then.
If you have these, just have Trady open the ticket for you.
Okay.
That way we've got a documentation point.
Okay. Or have them go to.
That's the ideal. Is to have them do it.
So if you have a question, just go to. What is it? Started. What's it called? Contact admin. Is that where you do
No,
it?
there's a help desk in there.
Help desk. Help desk.
There should be.
Trady, help me. Is that it? Oh, tech help? No. I don't see it.
I'll name it help desk.
Okay.
I'll make
Yeah,
it.
that would probably be easier. I can't do nothing around this thing right here. There you go. There's
Let's see if it
my.
sets up for a long here.
My goal's working out there, Brian.
For a long?
Short. Break of that low. That's like I said earlier, remember? Short. I had to hold it for a little bit, but it finally took first target. So
Hey Brian, quack real quick and explain why this is a setup for a long.
I don't know if it's set up yet, but it's at a
Quack away,
level.
man. Quack it.
Quack.
Well, this is a level. This is a level I wanted to buy from earlier, so I would probably want to put one long on here and maybe try this one more time with a little tiny target. But assuming that we're settling into a range. But you've got a level here. You've got uh, um, retest trade across the board. I mean, really, for the ES. Now for the NQ, you got to go maybe a little bit lower. Well, actually, the NQ got down there. Um, to where it bought from in the past. So it's Isaac said it best this morning: retest trade, retest trade, retest trade. One of the biggest things for me being successful in trading is always looking for where they traded from before. Don't try to trade in the middle. So to make this a good trade, you wait for price to come down to your level. Like again, let me show you on Isaac's this morning because this was a perfect thing. He said between 78 and 68, I believe. It was 78, 68 is what I believe Isaac said. And there's a level there. We had a level there. And so all he did was patiently wait for it to come down. And I'm assuming he probably used some kind of, maybe he did a limit order. I mean, if you like your level, you can use limit orders. I mean, limit orders are, if you have really strong levels, limit orders can make you lots of money. But when you're wrong, you're just wrong. You're just going to get flat immediately. But however you get into the trade, I mean, I like to wait for it to pause and start to turn around and come back in my direction. Then I get into a trade, but some people use limit orders, say, hey, I trust my level, and it comes down, puts you in the trade, and takes off. But same for this one. I mean, like, um, I could have easily just had a limit order sitting down here. I probably should have. Um, and then let it turn around, come back. If I'd used two contracts, I'd have a target off, and this would be an easy risk-free trade, or six contracts. I mean, that's something that I'm actually, after I get through my pain stuff, I'm gonna talk to Paul about this, using more limit orders to get into trades because if we're using the micros, you can't get hurt that much by it.
Nope.
So, I mean, what do you take a full loss on a micro? It's $60 on the MQ.
Yeah.
So that's the reasoning behind it being a good level. The reasoning behind it being a good trade is that it's coming from a level you want. They bought from there earlier this morning. They're probably going to buy from there again. That's really it. I mean, no more complicated than that. And you can just see it across the board. I mean, they were trading from this level all morning long. Let's see, put it there. Like the shorts came earlier this morning, and then every time it came back down this level since say what 9, right, yeah, since 9, it's bought from this level every single time. So at some point, history repeats itself. So, and it just did. I mean, it literally just did. I could probably could have taken profit on that, but I'm trying to show for example's sake here. Um, we
You're
use a
calling it.
fib.
Uh,
So you'd like to see possibly the smart move here would be to add a contract, maybe look for a long here on a smaller tick chart for the MNQ. I mean, you could probably do two. I mean, it's not going to set up for me,
you
but
got a
if it,
long. You just missed a long.
well, I was going to say so here, look at it like this. For me, this is my set. How do I get the margin off the bottom? I thought I had all of my charts like that.
uh, go right click there. Yeah. Go to
Properties.
properties. Yeah. You have it on automatic.
Lower margin.
Yeah.
Move it to what 20. There we
There
go.
you go.
There was your long. But okay, so here's perfect case in point. Should have added one. Would have had a long. Could have taken a target off here. That trade right there on the long side was a decent trade. Came from a place you wanted to trade from, where they traded from in the past, and it would have been a decent little long trade. Now, obviously, as things start to move down here, you might want to be looking for shorts, but that's a premise of a trade. So you get a good premise, and if you have a good premise on a trade, meaning multiple factors like a level a thought process that makes sense, like it should buy from here because of XYZ, then if you can do that with every trade, your odds go up dramatically of those trades being successful. And again, my thought process on retest trades are you can't find a higher probability trade than a retest trade. Why? Because it happened before. There's going to be orders sitting out there. Going to be orders sitting out there. How about that? That good?
Yep.
Get some learning stuff in there. Oh man. Oh, starting to hurt this morning.
Yeah, I
how
come
is your
back.
shoulder?
Bulging disc, no joke.
I had a couple days where it wasn't that bad, and today's not that great. So
All because of your stubbornness.
all okay. Yeah, no, that's a damn stupid lesson
Okay.
to learn. That's for sure.
Gotta blame you for that. Sorry.
I can't. I don't know about this. This might end up
You
calling
might
the
have you
calling.
might have just injured it. Period. I mean, yeah.
Yeah. No, well, no, I'm talking about this trade. I'm thinking about closing this long out and
Oh, oh, oh,
rethinking
yeah.
it.
No, I mean,
Because
I'm
this
not.
is, it looks like it's getting pretty heavy. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take a small loss on this, and
It'll bounce back up. You can probably get out. You can probably get out, breaky like right there or so for nothing.
yeah. I'm not that worried about it. Or just take the tiniest little baby stop on a target on the
Yeah.
planet.
Bo, you still short MNQ? It's still basically choppy the way you look at it, but you can get both directions here. No, I took it off
Looks like it.
125.
Well, all right. So here's
Nice.
go back to
Nice.
what I was just talking about with Tom here. Is that this is my whole thought process this morning. I know this is a strong level. I knew it coming into it this morning, and I knew it, and I said the whole morning that if we could stay above this level, I gotta close this. This is gonna drop. We're gonna see it. I'm gonna take a small loss. I mean, what is that, like $15? I knew this was a strong level coming in this morning. And had I stuck with my premise and said, hey, this is staying above this level, probably should have been buying. Probably should have been buying, but I just couldn't pull myself to do it. I didn't have the warm and fuzzy on it. And I don't have the warm and fuzzy right now because this sure does seem like it wants to drop on us. And again, I go back to my same thought process from earlier. If it stays below this level, then I turn around and I start shorting. That's why I mean, usually, and I mean, you've been around, you've seen it, Tom. Usually, when I have a bias, like a good bias, and this is long for now or short for now, I go with it and it works. We can scale into some stuff, but like I said, um, I think, like Paul said a minute ago, we're in coin flip territory. I mean, again, this is two-way trading, right? So, could I add it? Could I just do that whole thing again? Add another contract here? I could have, and would it probably work out? Probably. At the end of the day, am I really that worried about a couple micros? No. What I'd rather end up with is clear direction and then trade it that way. Or I'll just not be committed to a direction long or shorts and look for trades that fit a decent premise that I have in either direction. And that's probably the most logical thing to do in this environment right now. Because if you get tied into the longs, you're going to have to wait for price to come all the way back down to like S2 on the ES here. And you have to deal with that same level Isaac dealt with before this morning on the longs. And that's a pretty decent little ride down to get some longs in. That's my only concern with this. But again, is this an area where long should come from? Probably. I mean, could you buy it? Probably. Would it work? Probably. Yep, that's what I was afraid of right there.
Mm-hmm.
Gotta take this call.
Tom, you still there?
Yes, sir.
So I'm confused. Those two files, the regular file and then the zip file and then the SHA file, do I need to put both those in there or just one?
You should just be able to put in one. One's a SHA file. It's for the basically the encryption on the computer that it needs to see that one, but not always. It's a little. I'm a little confused on it too. So
Okay, well, I'll wait till you send me the finals. I'm not gonna do anything till then. I'll just hold off.
There's a portal. They were looking for my MRI in the portal.
Yeah, don't you have the portal? You talking to us? Or are you still on the phone?
Oh shoot. Oh man, sorry. I accidentally hit
Uh,
unmute. Sorry,
yeah,
guys.
well, get your portal out. think he's trying. There it is. I mean, I wasn't gonna take it, but it was definitely trying to set up for a long there. Just think you can get back up to VWAP. I like the long hair. I may have to try this. God, give me a second.
trying.
Uh, Not super clean, but this really looks like it wants to go. Just not getting it. We're not getting it. So we ain't doing it. Simple as that. Easy peasy. And you look over at crude and it's just a complete chop fest. So that doesn't give me any inspiration. I'm going to sit on my hands. Yeah, that's what I just said, Bo. You look at crude, there's definitely not inspiring at all.
Put in a limit order at 150 if it hits it again.
Yeah.
See, I kind of wish I would have taken it right there.
On what? NQ?
Yeah, on the NQ off the 150 because it bounced previously off of that 150 zone.
I just, ugh. I mean, the only problem with that, honestly, and it's not that it won't work out, it probably will for you, but you're in such a coin flip territory here. It just, I don't feel the need to take the trade. It's just, there's nothing here that really screams, hey, I'm not saying you can't find entries here. I'm sure there's people that find all kinds of entries around here. But for me, I'll wait till I get a cleaner sweat at this, get out of this area. Give me something solid.
Yeah, I canceled it.
And probably smart because it looks like it's going to go down.
Yeah. I'm just trying to be patient. They're not 100
Oh,
in the right.
today's a good test day of that. Today is a good day to be patient. Don't be pushing buttons. I guarantee you, if you start pushing buttons, you're going to lose. You will lose because you're going to get burned on one of them.
I still don't have the ATM quite worked out. I get it. It'll take like 3, and then it'll put a close stop by
It
after.
pops up to it too close.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like that. I'm just not a fan of trailing ATMs. They just because you can't have just a generic trail.
It
You
doesn't
got to
work like that.
you got to put your stops where the market gives you the place to put them. And I get it. I understand why people use them, but I think more often than not, you're going to get taken out of the trade too quickly.
I'm gonna go with one short here.
One short, ES or NQ? ES?
Yes, I
I like the
think.
ES.
Yeah, this is about to
Yeah.
break down, like I said earlier. I'll get one on. And then let's see here.
Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh no, I'll take it.
And then if we get below this level on the NQ, probably want to try to short that too.
Well, I'm in 5 short on the. Oh, thank God. There we go. Target's off. Had the wrong ATM on there on the ES. Boom.
I didn't have an MES screen set up. Now I do. I was just working off that NQ.
Yeah, and I mean, you could trade both of them. Well, that worked out nicely. Didn't mean to trade 5 contracts, but I'll take it. Should have took it on the NQ. Did you get in the NQ? No, you didn't.
No. I thought about it, but when he said in it, yes. Dang it. That was a good one, too.
Don't FOMO. No big deal. Just a trade. You'll get another one.
Bounced off that pivot.
Yeah. We're going down to the opening range low here on NQ.
Oh god. I found out they didn't do all the images they were supposed to do on the MRI just now.
I don't know. So you gotta go back for another one?
Oh, it sucks.
Yeah, MRIs are
Especially when you're in that kind of pain laying there. That doesn't help.
on that hard board. Can't be. Yeah.
Do I want to try to get more than just one short? Because I've been waiting all morning for this. I feel like I need to get more than one short, huh?
Here comes the break on the
Yeah, I gotta like.
NQ. Breaking Crable.
I mean, we're just about the area right now that down here below the Globex low on the ES. You kind of have to short that big time. This would be a Crable, wouldn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, buddy, I want to get in this in another account. Been waiting all morning for this. What's it? 036. This thing's gone.
I jumped in on the Crable with my full 6 contracts. Target instantly off.
Nice.
Now keep going, baby. I'm in that
Go,
ES
baby, go.
short. Life is good. Life is
This
good.
again, if it breaks this level down here at the on that Globex low on the ES, I'm gonna jump in heavy, heavy, heavy short. I guess the same thing for the NQ here, huh?
Yeah. See if it holds this. It's getting a retest of the Crable of the opening range here. Let's see if it holds.
Or even a small
If it holds, you got to go short.
Yeah.
I mean, I would think. I don't know. I'm just saying that. It's up to you. But
What's the
I think
Crable? That's new to me.
30-minute opening.
Oh shoot. Let's
There
look
you
at
go.
this. No, that was a short. That's for sure.
It held it. Maybe let it break this low, and you should be golden.
I'm try to get another contract on here on the ES, MES. That's the plan there.
You're
If
in
it
short,
breaks,
right, Tom?
Yeah.
Okay. Everybody should be short at this point, I would assume.
I got in late, but I'm in it.
Well, even if you got in right around the 30-minute orb, the Crable, you're still fine. This thing's gonna bust here. It breaks this low. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Target's off.
Thank you for flying Delta. See ya. There you go. Thank you for flying 2 normal dudes trading. That's trade, people.
There we go.
Money, money, money. I added back in when it came up. Took another 4 contracts off. All right. Now watch this. Now watch it, because if it gets back above it, it's probably going to get a little bounce here. If it holds it again, though, we're really going to be
I
good
mean, it's a
golden.
long signal.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You're
All right,
probably
hold
going to get a
on.
bounce here. I mean, if you're get out, if you're don't let this go against you. I took it long on one micro on another account, different company, so I don't get dinged for hedging. Oh crap! Look at my freaking gold trade worked out too, dude. Get that 2 trades, Brian. $410. 2 micros.
All right, I shorted that little rally on the M&Q here. Got that off as well. Maybe it'll go, maybe it won't. I'm gonna do this little target back here just to try to get a little tiny target there. And it's gonna take me flat.
You hear what I said about those just 2 gold trades?
But yeah,
Two
yeah,
gold, 2 gold trades, $400.
nice.
Micros. All basically in that orb strategy.
Nice.
I know. I want you to look at it because when you put your twist on it, we'll be done.
I'll go with it.
Don't go with don't go with it. My idea. Go with whatever you see.
As soon as I can get my pain managed, I will be on top of it. Hopefully that's gonna be today. Hopefully somebody. I mean, they already called me. They're like, "Yeah, yeah, you're definitely messed up. I just gotta get in and get some painkillers."
What's the plan? What's the treatment plan? What
We
are they
don't know
talking
yet
about?
on that one because
Uh,
it's kind of jacked up. So there's a bunch of different options we can go with. I could go to an orthopedic person today again, and
and that's the worst kind of pain too. The black. Oh man, of all the injuries, that's the worst because it's debilitating.
it's
It's
a
just
little
that's the ones that
yeah, it's a
you can't
little
do nothing.
disheartening. A little disheartening.
Yeah. I mean,
I say a little
broken
disheartening.
bones. You can move on. You can do things with.
It's a lot of disheartening.
Yeah, especially you. 'Cause especially you're making good gains too.
It's a
That's all
lot of
done.
yeah. I know, man.
Yeah, that's over.
That's. Oh. No, we'll get it fixed. I'm sure. I don't know. I've yet to actually sit and look at the images with somebody, so that'll happen this afternoon. I hope.
Yeah, you're just going by what they're saying.
Yeah.
Get your
Jen's
buddy to look
mom,
at them.
He is
Jen's
up there.
mom
Okay.
tripped and fell yesterday during the tornado. The sirens went off, and we were heading downstairs. She tripped and fell, broke her hip. She's
Who
having
did?
surgery
Who
this
did?
morning. Jen's mom,
Oh no. How old is she?
70,
Oh,
70 something.
that's still young. You can recover from it. That's a very broken hips on old people are dangerous.
Yeah.
Oh, I got my target. All right, look at that. Little baby target. Oh yeah, that's not a fun thing. The broken hip thing. Where's she at?
She's at the Barnes at the hospital. She's
Oh,
supposed to have
okay.
surgery
All
this
right.
morning. The
Dang.
break is so much that they can't pin it, so she's getting a whole new hip.
Oh, oh, that's
Oh,
painful.
hip
Oh my
replacement at
God.
70. Oh,
Oh, that's painful. Oh, that hurts me
yep.
thinking about
That
it.
is not a good thing.
I don't know if I'm really want to be in the short anymore now that we can't follow through on the shorts. We've already taken some profit on it. Can't lose on
Almost
it.
look like we're still holding inside that range too. So we're right back inside the opening range. So it almost looks like it pulled back just to go back up, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. Um, you take a break for a little while and come back.
We could do that.
I just kind of need
I
to.
know you got a call at 11, right?
Yeah, and I need to like relax for a little bit. I'm in pretty good amount of pain right now.
We could do that. Short here. Nothing on cruise
I
short
think
here.
I mean I'm if it breaks this level, I want to be short, but
Short
if
and Cubo or crude? You're not short crude. No way. Well, I guess no. I wouldn't.
it's probably not a bad short.
Ugh. Maybe a breakout, I guess. Yeah. Well, as I say that, it bumps down. What do I know?
Yeah, does it? What do you know? What do you know?
What the hell do I know?
I'm gonna close this out when it gets down to my field. Actually, you know what? I'm in profit. I don't care. Oh God. Yeah, let's take a break. I can't sit here much longer. This is starting to get really painful. Or I mean, you guys can stay. I gotta like lay on my back for a little while and get this pain going away.
Yeah.